Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to upload a DXF file into Easel. There is one place where you can access the DXF file import option, and that is from the import icon on the left-hand toolbar of Easel. When you select that, from the drop-down you'll see DXF. When you click on that, you'll get a window, which is the DXF import window. You'll have the option to upload file. When you select that, you'll be brought to another window where you can select the file, click in the middle here, and you can select your file from your computer's file folder. Once you select open, that will bring it into the import window, and you can see your selected files. You can go ahead and click on upload, and this will bring the DXF import into the upload window. You'll see an image of it, and then you can choose the lines mode, either joined or separate. Select joined, and then the cut path, and this will be directly reflected when you import it into Easel. So on path, outside, inside, and once you've selected your path, you can import it and it will be brought into Easel, and you can select it and you can see that the cut path that I've selected is now the one that it imports into. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.